Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make smooth transitions in CapCut. And for this we click on new project and we want to add two new files to this project. I want to add this file and then do add. Right now we want to create a transition, and the transition is the best of the best way how you can do this is between those two clips. So what we're gonna do now is click just right here and then click on the transition button just right there, and then search for the transition glitch. Search for glitch and then click on color glitch. Then we click on close. Yeah, you can select the time if you want to, but I like, to be honest, 0.6 seconds. Then do close, then do accept, and right now we just add a transition, if you can see, just right there. What you're gonna do now is the next step, and that is click on audio, click on sound FX, and then search for glitch. There it is, glitch sound. And right now click on the plus icon, and right now if you hold the glitch sound, we can place it where we want it. I want it exactly in the middle. And right now, if you are listening to this video,
you will help me out. Hey you!
Let's go. That was the transition, and this is a good transition with a nice audio effect. And you can add this effect or transition to more videos and you can play with these settings. Alright, this is the most easy way how you can create or make smooth transitions in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.